Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to delete purchase history on Shopee. So simply open your browser and type here Shopee help center. Like my country is Singapore, so I'm typing the Singapore here. You can also type your country name with help center. So simply click here, click on Shopee Singapore portal. Here what you need to do, just you can simply call here, or you can click on email here. Click on the email. Now after this, here select the buyer option. Now here tick the general inquiries. Here type your Shopee username. Here you can type your email address here. And after this, in description you need to type please delete my purchase history. Please delete my purchase history. So after typing this, you can click on submit. So in this way you can delete your purchase history on Shopee.